Hi students, I had a question from the acceleration worksheet. Somebody wanted help on numbers 11 and 12, which were not in the original video explanation. On these problems, 11 says after traveling for 6 seconds, a runner reaches a speed of 10 meters per second. What is the runner's acceleration? So what I'm going to do with that is that I'm going to make the same layout. I'm going to put A equals V final, that means the final speed, V initial, what was the initial speed, and the time. And I'm going to lay that all out. And then I am going to figure these out. So 10 meters per second reaches a speed of 10 meters per second. So that means they reached that in the end. So that was the final meters per second. And if they started running, then the initial, because they were initially going 0, that's not stated in there, but you should know that they started out at 0. And then time was 6 seconds that they ran. So using this equation that now you have used a lot, V final minus V initial over time, you are going to get this. You're going to get 10 minus 0 over 6. And you're simply going to divide that out, and you're going to get an answer. And you're going to put that answer here. For the next one, for number 12, you are going to write the same things. A, V, final. A is acceleration, VF is V final, VI is V initial, and for time, how long did it take? So in this one, it's interesting. It says the cyclist accelerates at a rate. So accelerates at a rate is where you write that first one. So it's 7 meters per second squared. And it says, how long will it take the cyclist to reach a speed of 18? So the final speed, because how long will it take to reach? So like that's their final speed, 18 meters per second. And so obviously, again, the cyclist was at a dead stop when they started. So that's 0 meters per second. And so what you're looking for is the time. So you're going to use the same acceleration equation, V final minus V initial over time. And so you're going to plug these into the equation, and you're going to say 7 equals 18 minus 0. And you're solving for t. Now this one isn't as clean as the last equation. You're going to have to do some like division, but you can do basically 7 equals 18 over t. You can divide this by 18 and divide this by 18. So you're essentially going to have 7 divided by 18 equals the time. And then you're going to put that time back here, and that will be your answer. All right, students, take care. I hope that helps you with this.